राज्यात पर्यटन सिजनाक सुरवात जाल्ली आसून आयतारा 495 पॅसेंजरांक घेवन पयले चार्टर विमान गोंयांत दाखल जाले। सकाळी 8 वरांचेर दाबोळ विमानतळाचेर पावपाक आशिल्ले विमान हवामानात बदल जाल्ले कारणान बेंगळुरू विमानतळाचेर तात्काळ देंवोवचे पडले। उपरांत हवामानातले बदल सारखे जाले उपरांत चार्टर विमान सांज वेळार 4 वरांचेर दाबोळ विमानतळाचेर पावले। RDX गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
We travel in Goa state and we travel in different states, Karnataka, Mumbai and different.
Yeah, in Goa, what are your plans?
Travel, beach.
Beach, okay.
Maybe clubbing.
Maybe clubbing, okay. You feel at home, I mean you feel comfortable in Goa?
Yes, maybe. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, first flight after 10 years. First flight coming this October 2nd. Otherwise always come 16th October, 29th October, this day, first time. And this year, very big demand for Goa. And if we are going, everything is smooth, then we can get more tourists, okay? We have to give all facility to them. Then only they will attract to Goa, they will come more and more. This year, Egypt and Turkey, there is a problem. That's why, okay, everybody looking to India. And this is good chance to improve our services, then definitely we will get more tourists to Goa.
We brought about 491 passengers. And this is the first charter that's come from Russia. Well, BRICS is going to be a boost for tourism because it has created an international platform for tourism. And definitely BRICS is good news and will boost tourism immensely.